Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to delete autofill in Chrome browser. It doesn't matter if you're using a computer device or a mobile device, the steps are pretty much the same. So we open the Chrome browser, we tap the three dots at the top right. Now settings. Here, if you are on a computer, you have to tap on autofill and then you see these options: password, payment method, and address. So let's type on password. Here, just turn off save passwords and auto sign in. Here you can see the passwords. Check passwords. And if you want to log out of one of these platforms, just tap on them. And here the recycle bin at the top right. Now, if you want to turn off the payment methods, you can turn this off, save and view payment methods, and address. You can save and view this address, so you turn that off as well. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.